Hi, my name is Srihari Kadare. So here is my short introduction about myself. From last 3.5 years, I am working as a Salesforce developer, and during my this career, I got opportunity to tackle various challenges. I hold 4 certifications in Salesforce, which includes Platform Developer 1, Administrator, App Builder, Copilot 1, and I have keen interest in learning Salesforce and channelizing my daily learnings, which leads to start my this channel to share my daily learnings. And I am a sports enthusiastic person. I like to try and test it out, new technologies, new trends. So also, feel free to connect with me over LinkedIn if you have any Salesforce related issues. So you can DM me. I'll be happy to connect with you on that. So let's dive into my Salesforce org. So this is my Salesforce developer org. For today, we will see how we can send um, message from parent component to child component. Basically, we will be seeing parent to child communication in Lightning Web Component. So Lightning Web Component is nothing but more modern framework which is built on top of Salesforce platform, which helps user to make more scalable and readable UI for their customers. So we will see that today. So this is my developer org. I'll open my Studio Code. So this is my VS Studio Code. Here we will create 2 components, and then we will see how communication is possible in between that. So first of all, prerequisites are you have to open your developer org in Salesforce, and then you have to install Visual Studio Code. Also, you have to make sure there should be a connection between your Salesforce org and VS Code. Then after you can start a new project. So I'll directly jump from there. So not to waste more time. So if I would open my control panel, here we can see create project with manifest. I will select standard and I'll give project name as mm, this is just a name. This one folder. So now project is getting created first. In that project, we will create LWC component. So yeah, now our project is created, and it will take few minutes to set up all required things in place by VS Code. So yeah, we are good to go now. Here you can see we are not connected with our Salesforce org. To connect with our Salesforce org, we need to click over here. From here, I have this org connected back, so I can see my name over here. If you haven't like connected your org earlier, you can authorize your org from here. You have just need to click or this authorize and all. You will divert it to one login page of your Salesforce where you need to insert your login username and password and just authorize your org, and then after get back to your VS Code and you will able to see your connection name over here. So basically that defines that you have established a connection between your VS Code and your developer org. So now I will create my LWC component. So you have to go into this LWC section, just right click and create LWC component. I will give name for my child component as a child A, so that you will not get confused while doing code. So I'll take simple name for my first component I have given name as child A. I'll create one more component. Its name will be a parent B. Enter. Okay, so we have created this two, child A and parent B component. Yeah, so this is HTML file, this is JS and meta XML file. I'll open all these files initially. First of all, what we will do, we will expose our component. So when we will place our component inside our Salesforce, or we should able to see our component. So that's why we need to do here is expose to true. Then we need to set our targets where we want to publish our component. So I am here using app page. So you can take as target as record page as well. If you want to publish your component on record page, you can do that as well. Okay, just save this. After saving, you can just close your parent B meta XML file, and same goes for child as well. You can do this as well. Just close. So now we are done with our meta.xml file. So here we will start our parent to child communication. For that, here first of all I'll create one lightning card in child component, and also I'll creating parent component. So first of all I'll show this to you. So how we can create, we will take lightning card, which is Salesforce given library, and we'll take attribute as a title. We'll give your name as child component. Goes here, and here we'll give this is file component. Okay. So what we want our message should pass from parent to child. For that, we'll take one more p tag. So right here, this is the message from parent component. Okay, and we'll pass one property over here. I'll give value. So basically we will get this value from parent to child. For that, we will now open JS. In that, we will annotate this value property as API. Basically, this is what is API. APIs are the decorator that we are using in LWC. Makes public reactive property. So we have to also annotate here so that error will vanish from here. I will just quickly save, and after that I'll come in to parent B component. Here again I'll create one lightning card. I will use attribute as title. I will give name as parent component. Business tag, in that I will give this is component. So you will know. Here we will connect our child component with parent. So how we do that, we write like this: C hyphen child and hyphen A. So what we have to do, we have to write all words in lowercase. Also, if there is one capital letter, so we need to introduce hyphen before that, and we need to pass this value inside this, and provide get data as a property here. And if I would save this, so yeah, that's enough. If I would copy this and paste here, pass value is display and save boards, and from here I will deploy source to org, means whole this child A component will be deployed in our Salesforce org. So similarly I will do it for parent B as well. Okay, so our both components are now deployed. So we will see now in our Salesforce org. So basically I have created one app page which is learn LWC. On that only I will add that component. Basically we are publishing parent component, and we will be able to see child value passed over there. So parent B I'll publish over here and save. Yeah, we are able to see here. Get back and show it you in proper manner. So here we are publish our parent component. We can see this is parent component, means we are in our parent component, and this parent component is parent child, and we have passed this value display parent data, which we have defined in our parent component JS file, and it is passed into the child component. So we can see this was parent to child communication. And yeah, so in our next video we will be seeing how we can pass our value from child component to parent component. So yeah, thank you for watching, and do let me know if you have any questions related to this. Thank you.